In this video, we are going to learn how to solve quadratic equation using formula method. We have here x squared plus 4x minus 5 equals 0. Now, let's have a solution. We have the question here, x squared plus 4x minus 5 equals 0. Now, since we are to use formula method in solving this, recall that quadratic formula is given as x equals minus b, neither positive or negative, square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now, from the given equation, we have that a equals 1, b equals 4, and c equals minus 5. Now, the next step to be considered is to substitute these values directly into the formula. And we are going to have here that x equals, here b is 4, positive 4, then positive 4 times negative. Here we are going to have minus 4 plus neither positive or negative, square root of, here we have 4 square, which is b, minus 4 into a is 1, then into c, which is minus 5. Now, all over 2 into 1, which is a. We simplify further, we have that x equals minus 4, neither positive or negative, square root of 4 square, that gives us 16. Then here, minus times minus, that gives us plus. When 4 times 1 times 5, that will give us 20, divided by 2 times 1, that gives us 2. And we have that x equals minus 4, neither positive or negative square root of 16 plus 20, that will give us 36, divided by 2. Now, simplifying this further, we are going to have that x equals minus 4, neither positive or negative, square of 36 will give us 6, all over 2. Now, this can also be expressed as x equals minus 4 plus 6 all over 2, or x equals minus 4 minus 6 all over 2. Now we have that x equals minus 4 plus 6, that will give us 2 all over 2, or minus 4 minus 6, that will give us minus 10 all over 2. Now, simplifying this further, we have that x equals 2 divided by 2, that gives us 1, or x equals minus 10 divided by 2, that gives us minus 5. And these are the possible values of x that will satisfy this quadratic equation here. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. See you in the next video.